I'm far from the first to pick up and move west for some adventure and freedom. But I take some small pride in the idea that I'm likely part of a far smaller and far more elite group that moved west simply for better fishing. More specifically, better trout fishing. Trout always seemed almost mythical. Their preference for cool, clean water made them a rarity in my home state of Georgia. After my brother and lifelong fishing buddy introduced them to me in this amazing state of Utah, simply put, nothing else would cut it for me. And this is where it's brought me, high in the Uinta mountains, once again in search of what my friends and I called fish nirvana, a term for the unobtainable and mythical perfect fishing spot, a spot secluded, beautiful, and of course packed with hungry fish. As I stood and fished away the last bit of day, my mind drifted to old times. I thought about the concept of fish nirvana, and how my friends and I always felt it was always around the corner. But no matter how good the spot was, we always felt there was something better to be had. In life as well, you're always a few steps away from your perfect life. But where you are is never enough, until it dawned on me. I'm there, both in life and on this water. I'm right where I've been looking for, and it didn't hit me until the day was all burned up. So if anyone is wondering where I am, I'm right here where I'm at, where I'm supposed to be.